Here we go with the formation of union government. There are three situations in elections that forms union government. There we go. First one is single party pre-poll alliance and post-poll alliance. In general elections happens for Lok Sabha for the seats, total number of seats of 543. For these elections, there we go with three possibilities again. The first possibility is a single party got more than 50% of seats, and for this we go with example of 1984 elections. Next, second one is a pre-poll alliance gets more than 50% of Lok Sabha seats. We go with example of 2024 elections, recent elections happened. Next, with third one, no single party or no pre-poll alliance gets more than 50% of seats. There we go with the example of 1991 elections. For this, we'll go with a clear and clean explanation for this, how the government forms. If a single party got more than 50% of seats or a pre-poll alliance parties get more than 50% of seats of Lok Sabha, there goes a leader of government will be elected, and he requests the president to form a government. Then the president invites him to form the government. The leader of the government is appointed as PM by the president, and on his suggestions the other ministers are appointed by the president. There goes with the president takes the oath of Prime Minister and the other ministers of Lok Sabha. There forms the union government. If no party gets more than 50% of seats of Lok Sabha, then it is called as hung parliament. No party gets majority of seats. There no post-poll alliance was formed, then again re-elections happened. Unfortunately, up to now, there is no situation of re-elections after the elections. Post-poll alliance was formed by the parties of the government who are get the minimum number of seats. They all make a group of alliance and forms post-poll alliance. They all select one person as their leader, and he requests the president to form his government, and the president invites him as the leader of the government, and there he advises and gives suggestions of other ministers appointees, and the president appoints those ministers and PM and ministers gives the oath to the president. There the government is formed. Actually the government was not fully appointed. There the government should prove its majority in the Lok Sabha by introducing its motion of confidence. If the motion of confidence was passed in Lok Sabha, there the government exits in official way. If the government is defeated, the government has to resign within 6 months, and again re-elections happen in these 6 months after this. Thank you.